Hi lovely people, how are you? Well, if you read from my description, I'm going to be unboxing the August 2018 Boxycharm. So I just got this today. It actually came late for me. Usually I've been getting it more in the beginning of the month. So I already know what's going to be in here. I don't know exactly what's in this box, but I do know what's going to be in the Boxycharm. Some of the spoilers, because I do watch people's videos. So let's just, let's see, cut this thing. Okay, let's just begin. If you don't know, Boxycharm is a $21 a month subscription. This is by far my favorite subscription. I know a lot of you guys always ask me, there are a few of you that always ask me, what is the best subscription box? And for me, my opinion is Boxycharm. I think with Boxycharm, if you can afford it, it is a little pricey, $21 a month, but you do get a good bang for your buck. And if you are starting out with your makeup, you want to build your makeup collection, this is definitely the way to go, because you do get anywhere between 4 to 5 and occasionally 6 full-size items. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. It comes with a little brochure. I know Laura Lee did curate this. Right here it says Laura Lee curated the box. So let's just get started. This is what it looks like when you open it up. So one thing I did know I was going to get is lashes, because Boxycharm started this new thing last month in your email if you want to look at one of your spoilers. And I said I did. I wanted to know if I got this or the primers, or you could have got, I believe, the mascara, and I got the lashes. This is House of Lashes in the style Temperist. Now, I don't really wear false lashes. I do want to start practicing, but my daughter wears them, and I'll probably give them to her. So that's what it looks like. They're very pretty, but I just wish I would have got the primer or the mascara. I do know also, if you look up Boxycharm, I believe it's in the giveaway section. I don't know why it's in the giveaway section, because if you didn't know, you wouldn't know. They have a little profile survey. I think pretty soon they're going to start doing profiles. So make sure you do that so that they know what you like, which is great, because then you can let them know if you like eyelashes or not. All right, how much is the lashes? So that would be anywhere between $9 and $12, I guess, depending on what style you got. Okay, the next thing I got is the Desi New York. This is Age Defying Nail Treatment. So this is a cuticle oil in the scent Sweet Almond, and this would be $18. Now you could have got this one, or I believe it's the NY LA or something like that. This is the better brand, I think. I'm not going to open this because, let's be honest, I have a few cuticle oils that I don't even use, so I don't want to open this. I'm going to put this in a giveaway, and I don't do much to my nails, which I need to, but I know if I keep this, I'm just going to put it up and not use it. So I'll put this in a giveaway. Okay, moving on. The next thing I see is from Bang Beauty. And this is a gel liner, I believe. A chocolate, it's the shade Chocolate, and it's $22. It says use as an eyeliner, eyeshadow base, or even to touch up your brows. This creamy chocolate toned pomade is the ultimate triple threat. I don't know if you would use it as an eyeshadow base. This would be definitely too dark to use as a base, I think. I'm not going to, let me just open it. I hate opening it because it dries. That's the color. It is definitely too light for me to use in my eyebrows. I don't use brown eyeliner. If I use any eyeliner on top, it's usually black. And this is another thing why I wish it would go by profiles, what you like. Because if you are darker complected, it's going to be like your skin tone. It's not going to show. So, and I know if they gave black, everybody's going to say we're tired of black eyeliners. But it would be nice if they do maybe like blue, green, gold, like different colors. That way all skin tones can use an eyeliner that's, because let's be honest, if you are a brunette, this is definitely going to be too light for you. And I don't know. So this is just another thing I'm going to put in a giveaway. So far, 3 out of 3. Okay. The next thing I see, which I am definitely excited to get, this is the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. Now, we got this before in Allure, and I really do like these. These are the little gold foil patches that you would put under your eye, and a lot of them fall down, but these stay right where you put them, so I really do like them. But let me give you a little tip. If you ever have these like little gel eye packs that like slide, if you use sheet mask, put them on and then put the sheet mask on top of it, and you kill two birds with one stone. One, the sheet mask will hold them things so it doesn't slide, and then you can also do two things at once. So that's a little trick that I do, but I really like these, and you get 3, so that's good. Let's see, and these would be $13. I'm surmising for 3 of them. Okay. And what else do we have? So we got 6 items this month. Okay, I didn't know everybody was getting a Smashbox. This looks like it's a regular lipstick. I was hoping to get the liquid lipstick, but that's okay. But what is this? This is in Berry Ombre. Oh no. Okay, I don't know if I showed you. So there we go. All right. So that's what this looks like. The only thing, it's in an ombre. Let me show you guys. You see the 3 different colors? It's like a berry color or purple. I know for a fact I'm not going to use this. I think it's a good idea. It's just not my cup of tea. So it's another thing I'm going to put in a giveaway. And last but not least, everybody got the Laura Lee Party Animal. So let me show you. My lighting has been off. I'm doing this at nighttime, so please forgive me. I know I'm like, look, I'm really washed out. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And this is the color for when it comes with the mirror. And it's very pretty. I can't deny that. You guys can see. Very pretty. What is this? $18 or $19? Oh, did I tell you how much the Smashbox lipstick was? This is anywhere from $21 to $24. So I do like this. I think it's something different. I know she made the neutral one or this one. I think if we got the neutral one, you would have a lot of people that would say, oh, we're always getting neutrals. And then we got the bright one. There's a lot of people saying, I don't use the bright ones. That's another reason why it's good to have like a profile so they can see, do you like neutrals? Kind of like what Ipsy does. Or do you like colors? So, I'm not going to swatch this because I don't know yet what I want to do with this. I do know I do have Laura Lee's other palettes, the Cat's Pajamas. I have the Nudie Patootie, and I do like her formula. But I don't know if I would get a lot of wear. You know what? I am going to swatch it. Because what I would do is, I'm going to be honest, I wouldn't use like blues and all that on my lid, but I do wear them on the bottom. So let me just show you. So It's a Party, and this is supposed to be like a neon color. And then we have Damage Control, which is kind of like gritty. Then we have Karaoke, which is kind of gritty. Then we have Drinks. These aren't really like smooth. Bottoms Up. Okay, so that's the 5 right there. This is all like due to partying, you know, drinking. So they're very pretty, I have to say. I do like that neon color. So that is the first 5, and then we have Hungover, which is this purple one. Let me swatch that again. They are definitely buildable. So it's very pretty, and it's not as vibrant as it is in the pan. So I'm kind of glad I did swatch it because it is really, really pretty. The pink has some sparkle to it. So I do like it. I probably would wear these like maybe under my eye, or I don't know. But anyway, that is everything in my Boxycharm. So we got the Laura Lee palette, which was, what did I say, $19. We got the 3 Wonder Beauties thing, which I really do like, which was, what did I say, $13. We got the I got the Smashbox lipstick, the Ombre, Berry Ombre, which I definitely won't wear, so I'll put that in a giveaway. And that was anywhere from 21 to 24. Then we got the lashes, which I won't wear again. The cuticle oil, which I have too many of them. And the Bang Beauty, that's just not my color. I wish it would be like a certain color or if it was in black. But that's just a personal preference. So I know Boxycharm is a $21 a month, which is guaranteed to be over $100 in value. I will leave everything down in my description bar. Well, no, I can't add it up because I don't know the price exactly with this and that. So I do know it's over $100. Is this my favorite month? For me personally, no, because 4 out of the 6 items I won't use. But I love Boxycharm. I won't unsubscribe from this. It is still my favorite subscription. It's just not my favorite month. So let me know in the comments below, what did you think of this month? Did you like the month? What Smashbox did you get? Did you get the ombre one, or would you use the ombre one? Let me know. And please like this video so I know that you like unboxings. And make sure you leave a comment. I also leave little videos right here if you want to watch more of me. And guys, until my next video, bye.